multiply and then simplify the products. This 2 means that you have 2 of these binomials. So the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7 times the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7. You can use the FOIL method to simplify that. So first, outer, inner, and then last. Or I like using a box. So I write the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7, and then the square root of 5 minus the square root of 7. So when you multiply the square root of 5 times the square root of 5, we're using that product rule that states if you have the nth root of A times the nth root of B, then that gives you the nth root of AB. So notice that the index doesn't change, and then just the radicands get multiplied. So here we get the square root of 5 times 5, which is 25, and then that can be simplified to 5. And then the square root of 5 times the negative square root of 7 is equal to negative square root of 35. And then again, square root of 5 times the negative square root of 7 is negative square root of 35. Negative square root of 7 times negative square root of 7 gives you the square root of 49, which simplifies to 7. So now we can add these two numbers together, and then we can add these together. So 5 plus 7 gives us 12, and then negative square root of 35 minus the square root of 35 gives us a negative 2 square root of 35. Recall that there's an understood 1 here, and if the index and the radicands are exactly the same, then we can add or subtract the coefficients. So negative 1 plus a negative 1 gives us this negative 2, and then the square root of 35 stays the same. So this is our answer.